I thought there was one more hidden. There should have been one more hidden. Cameras, that's it.
Halfway through.
Buckle and shake. Thank you for joining us today. All of you guys are, very busy musicians. A lot of you in several bands. What was the impetus to start Buckle and Shake, and what hole in the musical landscape did that fill? I mean, you're one of the busiest bands on the island, so you definitely.
Well, not this year.
Not this year.
Thanks a lot, Josh.
Well, his fault. COVID was his fault, right?
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
I just thought a good country band. I was in New York for years, and then when I moved here, and Floyd and I had a band that would play at the brewery, and then Lucy and Caleb had their band, and just kind of a country. Lucy and I started playing together with Pete from Coco Vin. As Caleb says, I stole all the members of his band.
And we smashed the two bands together.
And the two bands came together.
Just think about it.
No, it was I just thought a country band. I always like, I'm a big country fan, and I like the difference, the country and rock. I always think that
Twang and bang.
Twang and bang, like it
Yeah.
should have a little bit of that.
Yeah.
As I was saying, you guys before COVID were one of the busiest bands on the island. Playing, how often did you play, and what did the arrival of COVID-19 do to?
I mean, in the summer we were doing at least like one gig a day.
It was busy.
I don't remember between the two. I know I was doing 12 gigs a week probably.
And I will say about this band too is every one of these we're all full-time musicians, so it made a big difference. So it was COVID's been rough. I was saying that it's kind of like if you were in charge of leading parades and they canceled parades for the year. That's what kind of felt like for me. I don't know what you guys.
Just the out-of-work parade master.
Yeah.
Baton twirler.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, guys, thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for having
You
us.
guys, exemplify everything that's missing from our lives right now, and so hopefully we can see you in person soon.
Yeah.
Pray summer, maybe. Fingers crossed.
Maybe.
Thanks for having us, and look forward to seeing people in clubs.
Amen.
Yep.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Take the weight of the world. I take flames for your curls. Good or bad, yeah, it was always true. Good or bad, it was always you. I like the dog in your toe. I like the break in your boat. Good or bad, yeah, it was always you. Good or bad, it was always true. Falling down was never the plan. Keep holding on to things as fast as we can. Yeah, and the truth is, we all want something new. And I don't wanna be nervous around you. your smile breaks. Yeah, telling me it's okay. Yeah, telling me I can stay. From here to there, it's not a race. You and I can state the case. I'll be the judge. Yeah, and we could never lose. Good or bad, we can never lose. Falling down is never the plan. Just hold on to things as fast as we can. Yeah, and the truth is, we all want something new. I don't wanna be nervous around you. I don't wanna be nervous around you. Don't wanna be nervous around you. Don't wanna be nervous around you. No, I don't wanna be nervous around you. Don't wanna be nervous around you. Don't wanna be, don't wanna be, don't wanna be nervous around you. Don't wanna be nervous around you. No, I don't wanna be, don't wanna be, no. Don't wanna be nervous around you. Don't wanna be nervous around you.
All right. Well, you're all sitting in your seats at home waiting for this next song. It's called Sunburn. Sunburn. All right, here we go. Come on, Chachi, let's do this. 1, 2. Well, I'm like a sunburn, listening to the tires turn, skin peel back off the vinyl seat. Station wagon, lollipop. Dad drove fast right past the
This song is called Pinky Tuscadero. Some of you kids out there don't know a show, but it's called Happy Days. And Happy Days was desperate for characters, so they invented one of the best female characters ever written, called Pinky Tuscadero. Pinky, this song's for you.
Nice song. Man.
Beginning of the first chorus.
Cut cameras?
Cut cameras.
Halfway through.
Just remember, you're going to have to look at it. It's going to be out there.